Viewers, today we are talk about George Liman. George Liman, a key figure in Belgian New Impressionism. George Liman, 1865 to 1916, was a Belgian painter and graphic artist associated with the New Impressionist movement, a leading figure in the late 19th century art scenes. Lehmann is recognizing for his vibrant color use and meticulous pointless technique, contributing significantly to the development of modern art in Belgium and beyond. George Liemans was born on 25th November 1865 in Scherbeek, suburb of Brussels, into a middle class family. His father, a civil servant, encouraged him to pursue an education, but it was Lemon's artistic talent that defined his early years. As a young man, Lemon studied at the Academia Royale des Beaux Arts in Brussels, where he received formal training in the traditional method of paintings. He was influenced by the academic style that dominated the Belgian art world at the time, but he would soon divide from his path. In the 1880s, the Belgian art scene was evolving, marked by the rise of avant-garde movement. Levens became involved with the artistic circles that were critical of the established order, rejecting the conservative ideals of academic painting. His shift away from traditional world come through his connection with the even great group Les 20, founded by Belgian Lear and art promoted October Muse. Levens became an active member of Les 20 in the late 1880s. This group of artistic, including Renovate figures like James Ensure to Theo Von, were committed to pushing the boundaries of contemporary art. It was through his association with Les 20 that Lehman encountered the new Impressionist style that would shape his career. New Impressionism, pioneered by French painters Georges Seurat, Paul Signac, was characterized by its use of pointillism, a technique involving the application of a small dot of pure color to create a luminous effects. Lemons adopted his method and became one of its most dedicated in Belgium. His early work in his style were characterized by a restrained plate and meticulous attention to the effects of light and colors. One of his most significant pieces from the periods, Beach at Heights, 1891, a pointless composition that exemplifies his skill in the technique. Lehman's work was notable for its balance between the rigorous scientific approach of New Impressionism and a more poetic, intimate